Hey guys, so I got sick and this is gonna be a really short video. I'm sorry. But hey, this is February 26, 2025, and this is gonna be day 233 of consistently helping people build consistency. So first thing first, when we want to be consistent at exercising, studying, practicing our art, and I think we need to have a clear definition of what is considered to be exercising, what is considered to be studying. Basically, we need a plan, a clear bare minimum. Okay? So instead of just saying that, oh yeah, you know what, I'm gonna be studying every single day. Let's say that, oh yeah, I'm gonna be, you know, reading a book for 10 minutes at least every single day. Okay? So it's clear because it's specific. Okay, reading a book, and also it's measurable. 10 minutes of reading a book. When we just frame things this way, right? It's good because of two things. One, we don't have to spend the time and mental energy on it anymore on a day-to-day basis, deciding what is the thing that we are going to be doing. It's clear, okay? So basically, it's giving us a shortcut, okay? Because notice, we tend to spend so much time thinking what is the thing that we are going to be doing. We don't do it. We didn't do the thing at the end of the day. We just procrastinate. We say we are going to be doing it tomorrow, okay? That's one thing. But the second thing is that it's gonna give us some sense of consistency. Oh yeah, 10 minutes of reading a book, 10 minutes of reading a book, 10 minutes of reading a book. Okay? We love we love consistency, right? And also it's gonna be like, oh yeah, you know what? It's gonna give us some sense of confidence because hey, I set the target of doing 10 minutes of reading a book. I actually did 10 minutes of reading the book. I actually did the thing that I said that I'm going to be doing. Okay. So basically, the feeling is going to be different compared to when we just say that, oh yeah, I'm going to be studying. Because I mean, like, if we say that we are just going to be studying, there's no clear idea of how much studying is enough studying for our personal target, right? Comparatively, I mean, here's the thing. We can just say that, we can just like maybe read for like 10 seconds and say that, oh yeah, I've studied today. If we do not have a clear definition of what is considered to be studying, okay? But this thing isn't going to happen when we have a really clear definition of what is considered to be studying. For instance, like 10 minutes of reading a book, okay? It's not something that's way too easy that we don't feel any progression or sense of achievement when we do it, okay? But it's also something that's not way too hard that it's unrealistic to do, okay? So it's just something in the middle, okay? 10 minutes of reading a book. Well, I don't really know whether it's something that's easy or not for you to do 10 minutes of reading a book, but I'm just giving an example, okay? Like different people got different condition. Maybe 10 minutes of reading a book is something that's really hard for you, really easy for you. I don't know. I'm just giving an example. So once we have a really clear definition of what is considered to be studying, what is considered to be exercising, what is considered to be this, considered to be that, okay, a clear daily limit. The thing that we wanted to be doing here is that we are going to be creating a habit streak. Basically, we are just going to be counting how many days we've been consistently doing this thing on a day-to-day basis, okay? So, yeah, basically it's just as simple as counting as, oh yeah, I've been consistently doing this reading a book thing for the past 7 days without missing a day. I've been consistently doing this reading a book thing for at least 10 minutes every single day for the past 21 days without missing a day. Okay? Well, actually, and here's the thing. If you miss one day, well then you need to reset to day zero again. Okay, the streak is gonna reset to zero again. Okay, basically, if you do not do it, well, you can make some exception though. For example, like, oh yeah, if some of the days you got sick or some of the days something emergency happened. When those condition happens, right? It's actually okay not to do the thing, to just take a rest from the thing, and basically still count the habit streak. Okay, still count it as an ongoing streak. Okay, you can just do it like that. Okay, because yeah, sometimes it's gonna be counterproductive to exercise, to do some running, to do some weightlifting when you are sick, right? You just need to rest on those days, okay? So don't push yourself way too hard because it can be harmful for your health. But the thing here is that the concept of a habit streak is something as simple as just basically counting how many days you've been consistently doing this thing. And why is this going to be effective? Right? Why is this going to be effective? In order to help us to be consistent at doing this particular thing. Two things. Firstly, we are going to be having more confidence, right? To actually still do the thing. Because here's the thing. Once we've, tracked this thing extremely clearly, we are going to be thinking like, oh, you know what? I've been consistently doing this thing for the past 21 days. Guess what? I'm also going to be making it on the 22nd day, on the 23rd day, on the 24th day, and so on and so on. So basically, it gives us some sense of confidence that we actually can do it, that we actually, disciplined enough to actually stick to the rule, stick to the plan that we make. Okay. But then secondly, when we have a habit streak, we don't want to lose it. Okay. We do not want to go to day zero because, we are going to be developing some sense of psychological attachment to the habit streak. Okay. We do not want to go to day zero again. So even on the days when we are not feeling motivated, right? Even on the days when we are not feeling motivated, big chances we are still going to be doing it anyway. Okay? We are still going to be doing the 10 minutes of reading a book anyway. Why? Because, even on those days, even on that day, reading the book might not seem as enjoyable, it might seem like really boring, right? It might feel not, it might feel suck, okay? The thing that's going to happen here, we are going to be thinking like, oh, you know what? Reading a book feels kind of boring today. It kind of feels sucks today. But you know what's going to be even way more suck? It's gonna be breaking the streak that I've been consistently building from day zero. Well, I don't want to break that thing. So yeah, you know what? I'm just gonna be doing the thing that comparatively less suck, which is reading the 10 minutes of book. And you know what? Anyway, it's the right thing to do, right? And yeah, it's making me smarter. It's building my discipline. So I'm just going to be doing it. Okay. And continuing my habit streak. So that's how you basically be consistent at doing positive things consistently. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, thank you for watching. Join our Discord. And hey, for the date authenticity post today, February 26, 2025, and Mimzar posted a Coldplay post last 24 hours. Thank you.